This is the Lighting tab. Here you illuminate your object. In my AR studio, the lighting is achieved using environments that are spherical images that represent what's around your object and thus what lights your object. Environment images can be normal JPEGs, but they usually are HDR images because they can store a much greater dynamic range of information. They are able to save very bright spots, such as a lamp or the SanDisk, that in a normal photo would be overexposed pixels, and thus its real information would be lost. You can select one of the environment images we provide, or you can upload yours by clicking on this button. You can also change its intensity via this slider. The environment image is like a sphere around your object that illuminates it. You can decide to show it if it adds to your product presentation. The most common way, though, is to use a flat color as background. In special situations, you can also use a transparent background to create creative compositions inside your HTML page. These are the settings for the shadows. You can try different combinations of intensity and softness. Remember that these settings apply inside the web browsers. When you're watching your model in augmented reality, the smartphone estimates the environmental light to show your object in the most realistic way possible.